Okay, so here's the update on the range. We are covered in about 3 inches of snow down here, and before that what you can't see is the mud is all, the ground is all saturated. So this water, the moisture that's going to melt here is going to combine with other stuff and it's not going to absorb it at all. Alright guys, forgot some information due to weather. The range was already muddy when it was warm. We got this snow, and then the weekend before that we got more snow. And then in 1 day or 2 days, on Friday, we're supposed to get rain, and then Saturday will turn to rain to snow mixture through Saturday and into Sunday morning. So that's a quick weather update. If it is like this, we go down and shoot. I'm not afraid of snow or mud. What I don't like is to get up from there. You have to go up a field which gets muddy, and that's what will get vehicles stuck. And if the worst thing happens, I don't want to have a student down there and we can't get them back up here in case they get injured or get a vehicle out of there. So back to the range. So that being said, the February course has sadly been postponed. It'll still be the same $50 rate. It'll just be pushed back till March, and you can still sign up for it. We'll have that posted on rycogunworks.com, and you can go through my page underneath the link below. Next, the classes. So new for 2019, we are going to do one class, and it will be the EDC course. The EDC course is be a combination of both defensive pistol and advanced defensive pistol. This course will involve shooting close to 1,000 rounds. You won't shoot the full 1,000, probably 800 or 900, and you'll have ammo left over to go practice. We'll cover all the basic drills and stuff. We'll teach you how to practice. We'll go over scenarios. At the end of it, we'll shoot the reactive targets. We'll just do everything. It'll be a longer course, and we'll also be able to do some night shooting. That's what I'm kind of excited for. We'll be able to do night shooting. Alright, so that's that. Videos coming up. As soon as we can get down to the range and use it, we'll be doing a shootability video. Basically, we'll compare the long slide, short frame guns compared to the long frame, short slide guns. Would be like the Glock 19X, the 48, and some other guns compared to like the 19L and the standard Glock 19. We'll see how those work, and we'll just do it on a straight test on how well you can control the recoil from, because that's what shootability is. It's how well you can control and shoot the firearm. So that's the quick update for today. Right now it's February 20th. Thank you for watching. This is not how my videos normally go, but I need to get this video out and let my customers and let my students know. That way they can plan accordingly. We are tossing up ideas of changing the location to an indoor location, but that would increase the cost substantially. For a 9-hour class, we're talking $90 just in range fees, plus ammo, plus whatever the owner of the range wants, and I want to get paid a little bit also. But I'd rather just train you guys for free, but I need to live. Alright, so let us know in the comments below. I had one student come up to me and say, hey, your classes are too expensive. I'm like, what are you talking about? They're $50. And he's like, the ammo amounts, 1,000 rounds is $160. I'm like, and then it kicked in my head. I'm like, not everyone has 1,000 rounds laying around. So if you'd want, post in the comments below. I was tossing up the idea of including the ammo costs into the range, into the class. So instead of it being, the normal price for this course will be at least $100. So you get your $100, but you can pay $250, and that would include the ammo for the class. And you'd get 100 rounds after the class, so you can go home and practice. Post in comments below, let me know if that will work out. Always trying to make the classes affordable. That way people can actually do them, and they won't be bankrupting themselves like I've done just to take a class. Till then, thank you guys for watching. Smash the subscribe button, like it, and comment below. Thank you very much. Have a great day.